Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see physiography and drainage as a revision purpose. Means some questions are important in this topic. Characteristics of North Indian plain, characteristics of Amazon basin, or characteristics of Ganga river basin, the characteristics of highlands of Brazil. Okay. And then means islands like Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Or there will be maybe questions related to means 5 divisions of India. Which are the 5 divisions of India? The Himalaya, North Indian plain, the peninsular region, coastal plain and island groups. Means you have to write, if there's like this way type of question, then you have to write in short of all these physiographic divisions information. Okay. Or means maybe they will ask, means tell the name of the 5 physical divisions of India and write write in brief about for example peninsular region or coastal plain or island group, like this way. Okay, that's why you have to prepare this topic properly. Also maybe there will be possibility of activity based questions related to map. Okay, this topic is important because this topic carries 6 marks in the question paper. Okay. Now see, here is given map. With the help of this map, you have to solve the activity. Means observe the map and answer the questions. In which direction does the region with an altitude of more than 6,000 lie in India? Means you have to write this. See there, means altitude of more than 6,000. Where is altitude more than 6,000? In north side. Okay, north side means Himalayan region. Then look for the south flowing river in the peninsular region. In which river basin does it lie? Means there will be Pranahita is the river, and this river lie in the Godavari river basin. See, means in peninsular region there is Godavari river basin, and in this basin there is Pranahita. Okay, you have to study this map carefully. In which direction is the slope of the region in the north shown in dark green? Okay, means that which direction? It is west to east, means west side to east side. Okay. And make a list of plateaus located in between Arauli range and Chota Nagpur plateau. Where is Arauli range? See, means here Vindhya range. Okay, it is Arauli range, and here it is Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay, Chota Nagpur plateau means between them there is Bhagelkhand, Bundelkhand, then Malwa plateau, Mewad plateau, okay, Marwar, Chota Nagpur plateau. Means these are the main plateau in this region. Okay. And see here in the Arauli range there is Mewad plateau and Malwa plateau. But at the foothill of the Arauli range there is Malwa plateau. Means maybe there will be confusion because there is given 2 plateau, and some textbook there is given or some in digest or any other material related to geography there is given 2 answers, Mewad plateau and Malwa plateau. But here Malwa plateau as the foothill of Arauli range, and Mewad plateau it is means the Mewad plateau height is more than the Malwa plateau. Malwa plateau located in the foothill of Arauli range. Okay, and that's why answer it is Malwa plateau. Then name the peak in the Eastern Ghat. Which peak is there? See, Here it is Mahendragiri. Okay, means Mahendragiri is the plateau in the eastern Ghat. See, here it is given Mahendragiri. Okay, then which mountain demarcate the deep plains of Brahmaputra? Okay, means there will be means there is Bundelkhand, Bhagelkhand. Okay, and Purvanchal mountain is there, Khasa hills are there. Okay, so you have to, if you seen this properly, then you will get there. Means these are the plateau which demarcate, means mark the boundaries there between the deep plain of Brahmaputra. Okay, like this way you can solve the activity. Okay, and related located of the relative location of Nilgiri hill is western and eastern Ghat. Okay, Nilgiri hill, eastern and western Ghat. In which direction does the height of the Sahyadri hills increase? It is increased in the south side of the peninsular region. When they act as a water divide between which two river basin? Narmada and Ganga river. Okay, like this way, means these are the questions related to this map. You have to study of this next map of the Brazil also. There will be also questions related to this means this map. Okay, and you have to read this lesson carefully, then you will means get the main points from this. If you read this lesson properly, then you will get the main points. Okay, thank you.